Now, Stormwatch 12 weather with meteorologist Josh Culbreth.
Welcome back to News Watch 12 this morning. Right now you're taking a look at clouds breaking apart in the Rogue Valley. They'll be a bit stingy for this morning, but we'll definitely see some clear skies a bit later today, and this should make for a beautiful sunrise this morning. That view coming courtesy of the People's Bank off Biddle Road. We are a bit chillier this morning to the east of the Cascades with 30s, but 40s and 50s for our west side valleys. The same thing along the coast, so another mild start in these regions. Here is your hiking planner for today for the Rogue Valley. A superb day to go on a hike, as we'll have plenty of sunshine, and it is going to be pretty warm for this time of the year. We'll be about 10 degrees above average, so be sure that you're going to pack the sunscreen, that you're going to pack ample water as well. So for today, highs above average for mid-May. That means middle to upper 70s to the east of the Cascades, middle 80s, low to mid 80s for our west side valleys, and then middle 70s, 60s and 70s along the coast in Curry County. The winds will cool us off a bit once again for today, as they'll gust out of the north and northwest upwards of 20 to 35 miles per hour, with some of the fastest wind gusts being along the coastline. And then for tonight, we'll continue to have pretty clear skies for inland spots. Clouds could be a little bit more stingy along the coast, but other than that, it's going to be a pretty quiet night of weather. We'll have more mild overnight lows, as we'll be in the low 40s to the east of the Cascades. We'll be near 50 for our west side valleys, and then middle 50s along the coast in Curry County, where the winds could continue to gust out of the north upwards of maybe 25 miles per hour. Over the next few days, it gets very hot for this time of the year. We'll be back near 90 degrees in the Rogue Valley, which will place us at about 15 to 20 degrees above average for this time of the year. But after that, it's a pretty gradual cool off. We'll be back to more seasonal values by the time we get to the beginning of next week. So cooling things off, but keeping things pretty dry. And so our fire weather impacts, we have gotten more fire fuel data. I've adjusted this forecast, but we still do have limited fire weather impacts for Thursday and Friday. Here's the 7-day forecast for the coast. We'll see some warmer conditions for today and tomorrow, and then a bit cooler for Thursday and beyond, but plenty of sunshine along the coast. And then for Siskiyou County, we'll be near 90 in the Shasta Valley for Thursday, a little bit closer to 95 or 100 for the Klamath River Valley, and then of course much cooler over the weekend. For the Klamath Basin, lots of sunshine, keeping things pretty dry over this next week, feeling very nice over the weekend, as we'll be back in that sunny and 75 territory. Then for the Cascades, more melting snow, so we'll continue to watch how the reservoir levels will respond to that. And then for the Rogue Valley, near 90 for Thursday, but back near 75 for Monday.